Microsoft has an exciting Windows update ready for you to try out, as long as you sign up for the Insider Beta program. But the Windows 11 announcement and release comes with a big controversy surrounding hardware requirements. The Windows 11 update is going to be available for free to anyone who wants to install it. But not all devices that can run Windows 10 are eligible. That's something Microsoft hasn't quite managed to explain so far, but it all boils down to one simple fact: Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0 compatibility. Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0 compatibility. What is TPM 2.0? TPM is short for Trusted Platform Module, and TPM 2.0 is the latest version of it. TPM is a particular type of processor that has a clear purpose. It'll perform hardware-based cryptographic operations to secure encryption. So if you want to know your computer is compatible with Windows 11, you have to check minimum system requirements. Microsoft's PC Health Check tool will tell you if your Windows 10 PC can handle the upgrade to Windows 11. If TPM is disabled, it'll return an error message, urging you to check whether it is enabled. You'll either see this PC can run Windows 11 or this PC can't run Windows 11 pop-up message in the tool. If it says the latter, don't worry, we got you covered below. TPM, or Trusted Platform Module, is a security chip designed to provide hardware-based, security-related functions. For starters, TPM has been a requirement since 2016, so there's a good chance that your PC already has it. In fact, PCs shipped in the last few years have the TPM 2.0. So, it could be that your computer supports TPM, but it is disabled, causing the health check app to report that Windows 11 can't run on your computer. If disabled, you'll have to open the BIOS menu and enable TPM manually.